welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I thought I'd show you a recipe that I'm really into at the moment. I eat it more than once a week and my friends absolutely love it when they come around, and I can tell you something, my friends are a real fussy bunch. This is quick and easy and you barely need any ingredients for it at all. So what I've got here is I've got ciabatta bread, avocado, lime. I've got some white crab meat. I've got a mixture of white and dark crab meat. A bowl of, this is watercress and rocket. I love that as a side garnish. You may have different preference, really doesn't matter. And we're going to use some chili flakes, some cracked black pepper, and some paprika. You are going to absolutely love this recipe. It's called Levi's famous crab and avocado stack. First things first, we're just going to slice the ciabatta like so. You can see. Just want some thin ciabatta fingers. So cut them first. This is a part cooked ciabatta bread. So now that it's cut, we're going to bake it in the oven. This ciabatta takes 12 minutes, which is kind of perfect timing because it's roughly how long my crab and avocado stack takes to cook. So next we're going to prepare the avocado. Now we're going to squeeze lime juice into it, and a little tip to get the maximum juice out of your limes is to roll it. Put a bit of effort in it. You want to squash that lime around inside, and a lot more juice will come out. Bang those ends as well. So much easier, especially with limes, they can be tricky to squeeze. Okay, that's perfect. And also, same with the avocado. I am mashing it up, and I can feel this isn't the ripest avocado. They can be a bit tough to mash if they're not completely ripe. So imagine you're being very aggressive with a hard-boiled egg. That you want to peel. Just smash those ends in, roll your avocado, and I can literally feel inside it's basically all mashed. Mix your avocado, your lime, and your chili flakes all together and a nice mash around, and a good old mix up. Now it's time for us to serve the dish up, and I am using a cookie cutter to make sure it's presented nicely. You eat with your eyes as well, you know, and I think presentation is key. So let's just smash that all around, filling up the whole circle. That's your avocado base. Now we're going to add the white crab meat on top. Look at that. Covering the avocado. I've got clean hands, so they are clean, don't you worry. And now I'm going to use some of the darker crab meat right on top of it all. Whoopsie. And not too much of the darker meat because this is super rich. There we go. Just put a bit like that on the top. Finish your dish with your ciabatta bread, butter, salad garnish, and don't forget your black pepper and paprika right on top of that crab. A couple of bits of parsley for garnish. And let's lift up this, and there it is, the famous crab and avocado stacked. So there you have it. Squeeze some lime all over the top of it. Pour yourself a glass of bubbly and tuck in. I must say, I can't wait to try this. Now that is good. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications on all my further videos.